Good morning, children. Now I am going to explain you the very important part of plant, that is leaf. Children, you know it is very important part of plant because it make a food for the plant. So leaf is also called the kitchen of the plant. Children, you seen the plant. Plant has a large number of leaves. Leaves of a different plant have a different shape and size, but all of them have a same basic structure. The part of stem where the leaf is attached to the stem is called the leaf base. Some leaves is pair on growth, outgrowth at the leaf base, that is called the stipules. Leaf blade or the lamina is the flat expanded part of leaf. It differs in the size and shape in a different plant. Lamina is attached with the stem with the help of stalk, that is called petioles. Leaf blade is interacted by the network of vein and creating a distinct pattern called venation. Thicker vein is present in the middle of the leaf and it is called midrib. Based on the arrangement of vein and venation is of two types, and that two type is reticulate venation and parallel venation. Reticulate venation involve the net-like arrangement of a vein with a prominent midrib. The smaller vein or veinlet arise from the midrib. Example of such venation is leaf of rose, maple, tulsi, hibiscus, red green has a which type of venation? It is reticulate venation. In parallel venation, the veins are run parallel to each other, petiole from the petiole to the tip of leaf. Parallel venation is present in a grain, banana means banana leaf, palm, onion and grass. Now function of leaf. Leaf perform the three main functions. Leaf make the food for the plant by the process of photosynthesis. Leaf get rid of excess water from the plant through transpiration. And leaf also carry out the process of respiration in plant, which production of energy from the food. Leaf help in the plant in the process of exchange of gases. Numerous of minute reopening present on the leaf, that is called the stomata. The exchange of gases for the both respiration and photosynthesis happen through the stomata. Transpiration also occurs through the stomata present in the leaf. Process by which excess water is lost from the stomata is called transpiration. The process of transpiration helps to keep the plant cool. Now the modification of leaf. Leaf of different plant are modified to perform the following function. Some leaf stored the storage. It perform the function of storage of food. Leaf of Indian aloe vera and the fleshy scale leaves of onion and garlic store food material and water. It also perform the function of reproduction. Leaf of borophyllum produce bud on the margin, and these birds detach and grow into the new plant. Now you read the lesson 8 nicely, and if you have any confusion, please ask the question. Thank you and have a nice day.